Well, good evening, YouTube channel. Well, what you see before you is, well, in fact, a Vise. This is a hobby Vise from Harbour Freight, which runs for, well, $15. So now it can be Pick-a-Lock Raymond or Pick-a-Lock Belmont with the Vise. I also picked up this very cheap Pittsburgh composite digital caliper at also Harbour Freight for $10. Now, this Vise and this caliper, they have their shortcomings. I zeroed it out to where it's not in the negative, and I'm working with both inches and millimeter. It's nice, it's cheap, and there are some discrepancies with it. You might recognize this. It's the part of the heavy bar. But take a look at this. Now, this is the heavy bar from Sparrows that's supposed to be in 50 thousandths or 0.05. But yet on this caliper, it's reading 0.04. On part of the flat 5, one of them is reading 0.02 inches. And it has done that for at least 3 of them. On at least 2 of them, it is measuring 0.03. On the comb bar set, and yes, you can see my feet in this, so we're having a crowded video, is reading 0.03 inches. This is a mystery. Now, perhaps due to the cheapness of the item, it was only $9, that maybe the readings are not as accurate. Maybe I should have gotten a better one for $15 or something like that. Who knows? But one caliper should be as good as the other. I might be wrong on that. But we will be bringing you more videos very soon. I would like to take the time to give a shout out to my supporter, Taku. Where in the world is 6Taku9? Last video we had no comments, but we had 7 thumbs down. That's fine. Just wondering where my subscribers went to in the comments. Anyway, we will keep at it, and definitely looking forward to those other deliveries. And for this, I would like to thank my significant other, who did a little shopping with her school money. You got this at Harbour Freight, the digital caliper, and some other tools. I need a little thing of forceps. But we're going to be messing around with the tools, measuring them, and going to make sure we have accurate readings. So for those who actually tuned in, I hope you enjoyed, and stick around.